Good afternoon. I thought I would do an unboxing. We've all seen them on the internet before. I think today is valid. The story is I ordered this product I ordered it twice last year from Goodyear in Germany, from Nuremberg. And on each occasion it failed to get even to my front door. I think on one occasion it got to a holding centre in the Midlands and I thought, oh good, it's getting close. And then it came up as tracking return to sender. So it failed twice, I got refunded twice. I had another go this year because what I wanted was the Le Mans tyre. So I tried for the 2025 race, failed twice. I tried for the 2026 race, failed again. So I just thought 3 times it's clearly not going to happen. I just think, I'm just trying to get a package from Germany to Great Britain. It can't be that difficult. It proved to be very much so. I was told on email from Goodyear, it's all changed since the UK left the EU. But nevertheless, imagine if Goodyear really urgently needed to get a package from Nuremberg to, let's say, Silverstone for a promotion. I think it would get there, don't you? I tried a 3rd time this year after the 26 Le Mans, still no luck, but with madness, I persevered. And then finally Goodyear said, we did something administratively wrong, which has caused the problem. Only took a year to work out what it was. Don't know what the problem was. Finally, it's here. The packing instructions just said tyre and glass top, because it's basically a coffee table. Right. Oh my God. Oh my word. So, that is clearly the glass top. It makes a tyre a table. Let me pop that there. There's the official lanyard. I'm going to come and show you this. This tyre was driven at the 24 Hours of Le Mans. See that? I don't know if you can see that with a reflection. This tyre was driven at the 24 Hours of Le Mans 2026. And it's got, I think Michelin and Goodyear tyres were used. But Goodyear's still a big player there. And there's an official hologram of the product. Limited edition number 116. Oh, finally round my neck. Just for a moment. Oh, the smell of rubber. I love the smell of rubber in the afternoon, as they never said in the movies. Let's see what this is like. Look at this bad boy. I'm going to lift this out first. Let's get in this box. Oh my word, it's a big tyre. And it's still got lots of knobbly stuff on it. Well, maybe that was what was that? God, there's not much grip, is there? None at all. Well, it is a slick. I'm not stupid. But my word, for competition use only. Oh, I was going to put it on my car for the commute to work. I'm going to put it that way around. It's still got various markings on. It's still got the tyre lubricant for getting it on the wheel. Oh my God, I cannot begin to tell you how much it means to me to finally get this product here. So, there we are. Can you see the Goodyear Racing logo on there? Worried about the reflections. You're just seeing the sky, aren't you, if I do that? It's like a topping out ceremony, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, I declare this coffee table ready for business.